Let's learn how to change call background. You can change your mobile phone contact background. Open your mobile dial pad. After, click on this three dots icon on top right corner and go to settings. In here, click on call background option. You can see a preview in here. Click on this background option. After, you can select any photo or video in here. You can select this background animation. This is default call background photos and videos. You can select this as you like. If you want to select your own custom photo, you can click on this plus mark on top right corner. After, you can select any image on your mobile gallery. In this method, you can change your mobile call background.